engine, everything all laid in for mock-up. So it's going to be a very tight squeeze. We have to make some large modifications to the tune pipe. As you can see, there's no way it's fitting in there in the configuration that it's in. So I'd say we're going to end up modifying this chassis rail right here to accommodate for the larger exhaust, as well as modify the exhaust itself. Our next big hurdle after that is going to be our kickstart, because of course we need to have the engine as far back as possible. Right now the engine is just laid in. There's obviously all the factory tabs are still there from the other bike engine, so we're going to have to cut them and modify them to accommodate the RT style mounts, which is great actually, because we're just going to be able to move this one over and we're going to be able to build from this one into this one. So the engine's actually going to sit back about another 1.5 inches from where it is right now, which is going to give us a little bit more room to squeeze in that big old honking tune pipe we got up there. But we got that a problem. So I think how we're going to combat that is we are going to make our own reverse kickstart that actually comes and mounts up right here, so we can actually throw it back this way. But we got to get the engine mounted first, and before we can go designing all that kind of stuff. And last but not least on our adventures is going to be our rear sprocket. Of course, that's the oil tank reservoir there for the oil injection for the two-stroke engine. It actually still works, so I'm going to use it. So I think I'm just going to mount it up right here where the battery box was too for the quad. We don't need that anymore, no electric start on this baby. But I noticed that our sprocket is also, let's get some better lighting there. It's also the same size as their wheels, like to a T, which one is exciting because it should have some really good torque like that, but two sucks because I want to put some smaller tires on this thing, and I'm not going to be able to do that now. If I use that sprocket, I could probably try to use the sprocket from the quad, but the chain is different, and the chain is different, and so on. So I just don't want to hit the full with trying to adapt those sprockets as well. It's easy to adapt the rear one onto that rear axle. So we're stuck with that. Lots of pressure in them, so we don't bounce and jam a spring or a chain into the ground. Sorry. Alright, well, that about does it for today. Tomorrow we'll get some mounts cut out and get an engine in place. Whoop, whoop. Alright, see you guys.